Today I will tell you about 3 things you need to do to find a job in construction in 2026. I'll tell you why it's so important to take any job in construction, why LinkedIn is so important. You're going to be looking CV library and topping up your skills, investing in yourself. So let's go. First thing is just getting into construction. And what I mean by that, it's actually taking any job possible in construction. Let it be laborer, groundworker, GP labor, steel fixer, wherever possible, try to get on site. And through this way, you're going to get experience. You're going to start getting that UK experience you need. I know some of you got already some degrees, even master degrees. They have some experience from abroad as well. But trust me on this one, get any job possible. Do that step back to make a big jump forward. Get on site, start getting this experience. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to see how it works here on sites. And as I said, this is experience starting from when you start on site. Obviously, to start on site, you will need your CSCS card, a lot of good attitude, and taking any job possible. Remember that construction is far from its best. I thought last year going to be better, but it was terrible. And beginning of this year, definitely not going to be perfect. There are some hopes for this year though, as we finally got some Gateway 2 approvals now coming. So there's going to be more projects starting and more jobs. But remember, construction is very competitive now, especially if you're looking for that junior engineer's role, site engineer's role. I know engineers now with the experience looking for work, they're losing the jobs. So think about it when I'm saying just take any job. And also what I want to see you actually next to the gate, 7 o'clock in the morning, talking with people. So it's not only sending CVs, sitting home and waiting for the job to come to you. It's never going to happen now. You need to be active. So go to the job, speak with people, tell them about you're looking for a junior engineer job, but you're happy to take a laborer's job, that you want to just start on site. Show yourself, speak with people. That was always working for me, trust me. Second thing, gonna be obviously keep applying anyway, but what I mean by that, you need to do it a little bit smarter. So you need to be active on LinkedIn. You need to optimize your profile. So if you had some construction experience from before, if you got some nice photos, just make sure you're gonna use them in the background picture. If you got some photos with a total station, you can put them on the profile picture as well. Do some nice descriptions. More and more CVs now coming with the link to the LinkedIn account, so you're actually inviting people to have a look at your account. Remember about this. So if you're going to be lucky that someone's going to pick up your CV, they're definitely going to be checking your LinkedIn profile. So you want this LinkedIn profile to be as professional as possible. You want to show there you're really good of construction. And as I said, if you have the experience, you want to show it there and do nice descriptions. Show yourself the best way you can. Marketing is everything nowadays. Obviously, we're still going to be checking the CV library, a couple of other sites as well, but I think the CV library is the main one. You can also have a look there about the salary and requirements for any particular jobs. Just please don't forget, if you are starting your career here in UK, you will be looking for the junior engineer. So you're going to be junior assistant engineer. Sometimes it's still for the chain person. The chances someone's going to give you straight away site engineer job, they're really slim. Sometimes the big companies, the huge projects, they are taking people. I'm going to leave the links in this video as well, so you can have a look. But as I said, just assistant engineer, junior engineer. Unless you really got that experience, especially with setting out, surveying, then you might be lucky to get the site engineering job straight away. But trust me on this, you want to see how the construction is working here in UK, you want to get that experience, you want to put your boots on ground, and then you'll see that's going to open your eyes definitely. And then this is coming back to taking any job possible, really. Third thing, very important as well, while you're looking for your work, don't sit home and wait for the miracles. Like I said, keep going, but also use that time for learning. So there's a lot of reading you can do. Take the notes, watch the videos. I got a lot of YouTube videos so you can see how the construction is working. And if you got some budget for it, just invest in yourself. Take some courses, either that be setting out courses, maybe some first aid courses worth to do. And there is a couple of options here in UK. I myself started the hands-on courses on Total Station to give people looking to start their career or change their career the opportunity to actually see how that Total Station is working. Mark that first lines, do that first resection, setups, get that confidence. So when you go on site, you really know what you are talking about and can do the basic stuff. And actually, you can check that video here now to see what I'm offering on the course. But there's quite a lot of courses you can find. And also, I encourage you to check my Udemy courses as well, where you can find quite a lot of information. So spend that time, take the notes, see how the construction is working. looking, keep looking for work, try to attack from every angle possible. As I said, the construction is quite competitive. It's not that easy now to get a job like it was a couple of years ago. I really wish you all the best in 2026, and if you want to see how our site engineers work, looking what setting out engineers do, just check out this video.